Hi, my name is Dalia from Florida, USA. For the past 7 years, I've been a stay at home mom. It is a wonderful journey I will never trade for anything. That's been my dream as a mom, to be fully present. But there came a point where I felt stuck. I wanted more. I craved growth. I also wanted to contribute and help my husband while still being the hands on mom I've always been. And I am blessed that I'm running this digital business now. It had all the check marks I was looking for as a mom, and I am no longer just stuck in my routine. I am growing again. I am building something not only for me, but for our family's future. And I am doing it with people who truly get it. So, if you are craving for more time and growth, there is another way, a way to grow, to feel fulfilled, and to build something meaningful without sacrificing what matters most. You don't have to do this alone because moms like us, we rise together.